how to live a good life. Education teaches us how to think clearly, speak confidently, and make right choice. Imagine a world without education.
Can we just take a moment and talk about how a man dies each and every day? Wait, what? A man dies each and every day? Are you serious?
सपनों की उड़ान यूं ही नहीं मिलती, मेहनत की राहों से गुजरना पड़ता है, किताबों के पन्नों से आगे बढ़कर खुद का एक नया सफ़र रचना पड़ता है. एंड दैट एग्जैक्टली व्हाट बियॉन्ड द बुक इज़ ऑल अबाउट. गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, दिस इज़ तुषार वर्मा एंड वेलकम टू इनफाइनाइट इंस्टीट्यूट. Today we are here to celebrate something truly special: communication, confidence and creativity. Because we are here, don't teach from book, we teach beyond the book. This platform is not just a stage, it's a mirror of your talent, your courage and your growth. Every speech, every poem, every word you speak today will take you one step closer to your dreams. So let's begin this amazing journey of confidence and expression with our first performer, who believes that education is not a preparation for life, it's life itself. So with deep thoughts and powerful words, he is going to speak on a topic that connects us all: education. So put your hands together for Jayavardhan Sharma.
A child without education is just like a bird without wings. Good morning everyone, I am Jayavardhan Sharma. Today I am here to talk about that something builds nation, shapes mind and transforms life. Education. Education is one of the most powerful things in the world. It is not just about reading good or scoring good marks. It is just about showing our talents, discovering new things and understanding how to live a good life. Education teaches us how to think clearly, speak confidently and make right choice. Imagine a world without education. No schools, no exam, no teacher. But we would realize that we wouldn't have doctor to treat us, engineer to build road and teacher to guide us. So yes, homework is actually helping us more than we think. Education is the light that removes the darkness of ignorance, and it helps us to know what is right and what is wrong. It gives us confidence to face challenge and courage to follow our dream. Whether we want to become a IAS, teacher, singer or even a cricketer, education gives us the discipline and knowledge we need to reach there. It also teaches us good values like honesty, kindness and teamwork. These qualities help us to make a better human being, and it also helps us to build a better society. So my dear friends, let's never take our study lightly. Enjoy learning, be curious to your studies and ask questions, because the study is the key that opens the door to success and a bright future. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.
That was truly inspiring, Jayavardhan. Your words reminded us that education is the real power that shapes the future. So अब मैं अपने नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मर को बुलाने से पहले आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ. तो जो आदमी है वो भूल बहुत जाता है. अक्सर काम के चक्कर में खाना भूल जाता है. बचपन से अगर दौड़ रहा है तो रुकना भूल जाता है. दोस्तों से मिलता है तो सारे गम भूल जाता है. पैसा कमा लेता है पर हंसना भूल जाता है. सबका ख्याल रख लेता है पर अपना ख्याल रखना भूल जाता है. जिम्मेदारी उठाने लगता है तो अपने सपने भूल जाता है. बहुत सेल्फिश है आदमी, अक्सर रोना भूल जाता है. सो पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर सारिका गौर.
अर्ज किया है कि मर्द को भी दर्द होता है, अपनों से दूर होने पर वो भी रोता है. बड़ा तो वो हो गया है उम्र के साथ, पर दिल से वो अभी भी बच्चा ही होता है, पर दिल से वो अभी भी बच्चा ही होता है. हेलो एंड अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल. I am Sarika Gaur and we are in the Infinite Institute representing the show Beyond the Books, and thank you so much to both of the stars to give me this opportunity to speak on stage. So I am talking about men empowerment. Article 14 states equality before the law. That means everyone is equal before the law. So in the name of this equality, in the name of this gender equality, why we didn't even wonder that why always men are the reasons for all the crime. Isn't it concerning, guys? You know, there are various social issues. No doubt there are. But one of them which has always been ignored, one of them which has always been sidelined is male equality. I know there are many of us sitting here talking about women equality, which is almost as important as other. But can we just talk about or give few seconds of our life to this topic, men empowerment, male equality? In this world of feminism, in this era of feminism, it is damn okay and it is very important to give equal rights to the women. But can we just take a moment and talk about how a man dies each and every day? Wait, what? A man dies each and every day? Are you serious? You guys would be thinking like that. Or am I exaggerating my things? Not at all. Not at all. Someone has beautifully quoted, "मर्द को कभी दर्द नहीं होता." I hope you heard this quotation many of times. This is so sad. This is the harsh reality of our society. Why? Are you not human, sir? Are you not human? Don't you have emotions? You know, we together forms a society, and in this society, we have built up these stereotypical notions that a man don't have emotions, a man must not cry, a man can't be fragile, and if a single man comes up and dare to be a little more fragile, little can cry, a little show up his fears, then millions of mouths are ready to say that they are weak, he's loser, he's failure, he's just like a woman. When we talk about gender equality, it is very good to have equal rights, it is very good to have equal opportunities, but it's not always 50-50. Mind my words, not always 50-50. Sometimes it could be 40-60, sometimes it could be 30-70, sometimes it could be 90-10. Don't you believe on me? I am telling you the reason. You have your father at your home, right? Excuse me, ma'am, today in the morning when you come here, did you tell and speak your father that how you actually feels for him? No. No. A man, a father who works day and night to earn for the family, to provide nourishment for the family, for the child, for his wives, everyone has zero expectations from any of us who would come to him and tell that Papa or my dad, you really matters to us. There is a quotation, it has always seen in the Indian household, when the child leaves home for the college or hostel purpose, a single dialogue that every father says, "Mummy ko call karte rehna." Because they know that my child is not going to call me but her mother. They are not expecting anything from us because we are not giving anything to him. And there are certain incidents in our society which are very unfortunate. Majority of death cases, suicidal rates and death rates due to heart attack of a man are due to the reason that they are the victims of the unheard opinions, unspoken words, untold stories, and so many physical pressure, mental pressure, marriage pressure, child pressure, family pressure, economic pressure, everything. The burden lies on him like that, and still we are ignoring, still we are thinking that a man would be rigid in every condition. Why it is so? I know we are expecting women should be equal to men, but in this process we are denying the fact that men are playing equal important role to the society. And I want to tell you one thing, not all women are right and not all men are wrong. There is a quotation, social issues. How would you consider it? As an issue? No. Don't consider it as an issue. Consider it as a blessing, consider it as a motivation, consider it as an opportunity. That yes, this is the thing that I really want to change in this society. Not by alone, of course. We together unite it for. And the time we thinking the problem as a problem, it is the biggest problem of your life. So the conclusion of this speech is we have to pay men and women equal rights, and I am not here to degrade women. That's why I am not telling anything against women in my speech. I am just here to tell you about how a man always seen as a responsibility bearer. So I will end my speech with last 2 lines कि हंसते हुए चेहरे के पीछे ना जाने कितने दर्द छुपाता है, कि हंसते हुए चेहरे के पीछे ना जाने कितने दर्द छुपाता है, फिर भी समाज की उम्मीदों पर खरा नहीं उतर पाता है, फिर भी समाज की उम्मीदों पर खरा नहीं उतर पाता है।
That was bold, thoughtful and truly inspiring, Sarika. And that What's Beyond the Book show is all about learning to speak, express and sign. Because in the Infinite Institute, we don't just prepare toppers, we build thinkers, leaders and communicators. So thank you everyone for being such a wonderful audience. This is Tushar Verma signing off with fun final thought. Don't just learn to earn, learn to express, inspire and grow. Thank you and have a wonderful day.